Hello, this is Stephen Vineyard, and I'm a subject matter expert with IHS, and I'm going to be demoing for you today the Engineering Workbench. Now, the Engineering Workbench is our best-in-class knowledge discovery platform. And as you can see, it's a very graphical, easy-to-use software. We've got our various product modules at the top where you can access those, and of course, kind of search and query in the middle where you can pull back answers out of your data, not just queries to search and find. And then at the bottom, we have a lot of customization and personalization per user. So if you're interested in, kind of dynamic news, we can go in here and maybe expand this out or move it around a bit. And then we've even got various bookmarks up here, links for projects, and all these can be customized, resized, and moved around to kind of fit your own personal needs. And it's a lot of fun and really easy to use, and definitely very nice to have data access right at your fingertips, right from the dashboard. No searching required, even if you've already accessed that in the past. So let's go ahead and run a search. Again, we can filter what we're going to search between codes and standards, IHS data, all of our 120 million partner articles that we've brokered. I'm going to go ahead and run a quick search for lithium-ion batteries. Now, as I'm typing, notice we've got a very nice type ahead here that gives us language that maybe we didn't even think to search about automatically. And then, of course, a very nice quick search down here as well to improve efficiency. Now, our data is going to search, and of course we search based on keyword, but more importantly, we search based on semantics. So we understand language, anaphora, a lot of that kind of information, and we rank our search results based on it. So, a portion of information that talks a lot about a topic and tells you information and cause and effect data, parts data about it, that's going to be ranked very highly versus something that just simply uses keywords. So we've got our results here in the middle. Everyone's, I'm sure, very familiar with that. And then we have filters on the left-hand side where we can filter some of these options down, adjust publication dates, and start to parse through our results. Now, when we find results, a lot of these books are very large, so it's very handy to have a quick summary that we can pull up, see, and even get access to an extremely dynamic table of contents or download this PDF directly. Now, if you're not looking for a particular document and need to do a bit more research, well, we've got a nice answer for that in the research assistants. Now, these are a way to dynamically see your topics and kind of slice and dice into that data using our semantic engine. And so now it's going to pull back the various materials, disadvantages, advantages, and the different kinds of lithium batteries that are out there. And I can simply click on these, and it's going to dynamically take me into these options, and I can kind of visually start to navigate. Okay, well, these are all the different kinds of lithium batteries: internal rechargeable, pressure tolerant. And then, of course, we have a visual representation of these as well. Again, very easy to use, but fantastic if you have to kind of get smart fast on a topic and analyze the topic rather than just search and find a document. All right, so when we're going and actually browsing data and digging into it, often or not, we need to kind of capture that data into a project. And so we actually have personal projects that you can create. And I'll show you one right here under the chemical project. And this is where we can kind of bookmark and grab summaries and save search results from our research topic that we're doing. And it's going to pull up these and show them to you in a nice graphical format. You can get some information. So now we can kind of coagulate that project data into one space and make it a lot easier for people to get access to that data. Again, accelerate that innovation, problem solving by providing just quick and highly efficient and smart access to that information. All right, now, if I go back and say, well, I want to browse my data, I want to kind of browse the information that we're interested in, and I want to see what we kind of own already today and browse through it based on a certain discipline. All right, so when I want to look at one of these books and actually dig into it, I can pull up, again, our very nice dynamic summary, open the table of contents, and very quickly access a particular chapter or module in this book, and it pulls up in our own interface. I love this because I don't have to leave our interface and learn some other login, and our 80% of our content is set up for this already. So notice when I open this up, it takes me straight to this section of the book. I can go ahead and annotate this section, and add a note to this, right, that my colleagues might want to see. Right? I can then even bookmark that and save it to my homepage if I wanted to. Very nice and easy because this is a very large book, 730 pages. Once I've annotated that, now I've got it listed here, so if I ever want to access, I can click on it and bring me right there. But now that I've saved it and bookmarked it, I'm going to go ahead and close this and go to my homepage. And in one quick click, now I can actually access this entire book and this one annotation specifically right here from my homepage. And it's going to open up the book, and not just open it up, but take me right back to that immediate annotation, making it incredibly easy to revisit that critical information buried in those large documents very quickly. All right, so this has been an overview of our engineering workbench. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.